Hey guys, I'm going to give you a little run through of video editing just so we can save some time tomorrow. So this is the screen that I look at when I'm video editing. It has clips, audio, and all the levels as you can see. Um, to the left is all the projects and audio files and photos and stuff. Up in the upper left hand corner where you see school projects and smart collections, all video, audio only, etc. That's where you bring all the information into the video. And that's like all the source material for what you're actually making the video out of. We'll run through some of the functions and ways that I put things together to have a visual effects. So here, I'll zoom in a little more. So that's just a photo, and it's cropped so it's full screen. That's again all the source materials. Dance video, videos of us, iPad, and that's the audio. Audio of, that's the background music. That's the open source background music. And all the video audio recordings that we did together. Those were laid on top of the other audio. So again, all the source files I used, like images and fun graphics. So that's a special effect that you can get. It's not in the transitions, but it's in. Oh, there we go. It's in the titles. So if you type in typewriter, it comes up, and that's what I just dragged down, and it just kind of put the effect down. You can change the text however you'd like. That was just a black screen that faded in. And that's our audio and then the background music. The background music's played slightly softer so it doesn't overpower our audio. There you go. As you can see, that's me turning on and turning off the audio or changing the volume. And here I'm showing you the Ken Burns effect. So I don't know if you've ever seen a Ken Burns documentary where there's like a slow pan over an image. Well, this is how you do it. You have a start point and an end point, and then it just slowly transitions into that, as you can see. So the first frame is that start point, and the last one is the end point, and the rest is just a transition. Again, same thing here. See Ken Burns. Start, end. And then here I had to use a little bit of Photoshop kind of skills. So there's a thing called, there's a multiply filter in Photoshop, which takes all the white and basically makes anything underneath it visible. So here you can see it's white and there's nothing visible. If you hit multiply, it takes away everything that's pure white, 255, and it gets rid of it so you can just see what's underneath it. Here's the Ken Burns again, more Ken Burns. And then here's just some numbers. This is very easy. This is just basic text. And you just type in whatever you want right there. You can change the font, styles, the face type, the color. You can have an outline, all kinds of interesting little ways to edit the text. I went for something simple. And then there you go. That's the end. So you can see everything kind of layers on top of each other. Oh, there's the captioning. This I had to teach myself this time around. I'd never had to do this before. So each chunk of text is put in according to the video. So I timed it out so that when those words were spoken, that's when that video displayed. So it was a manual process, but it didn't take too long. Okay, and I think that's it. We'll still meet tomorrow quickly to go over things, but I just wanted to give you a quick run through so that things that I was doing weren't a mystery. It did take quite a long time, but I think it came out okay, and hopefully it'll be good tomorrow.